place is in Santines, just behind Kapulo Mall, and it's a bungalow setup where I have to have this concept of home studio. So I've exclusively made it for ladies and children, wherein they can come and do right from the skin analysis to hair analysis to treatments to pampering to getting advice and learning this art of cosmetology. Cosmetology has a wide variety of things, right from hairstyling to beautician to esthetician to nail art, everything and anything. So I have never seen a concept like this in Goa, and it was going on in my mind for a long time, and now was the right time for me to have this concept. And we also do a lot of photo shoots, we do bridals, we do creatives, we also help people get placements, and also we deal with beauty equipment. So everything and anything to do with beauty industry will be sufficed in Pinks. And this is a new concept, and I really want everybody to come here and see once what this is and what Pinks has to offer. And welcome to Pinks Beauty Studio and Academy, and do walk in once and feel the difference.